Hi guys, and welcome to another action-filled episode of Tuko Sports. I'm your host Musili Baluto, and speaking of action, the last game, Colombia versus England. Did you catch that? I was in Tao in a joint and it was lit. 3 Lions fans, crazy man. Hurricane celebrations everywhere. Co-host Rene, man, where'd you catch that game, man?
Nah, man, for me, I almost missed the game because I was caught up somewhere, but thanks to Safaricom's Giga Bundle, I managed to stream it, but it was a thrilling game.
Speaking of action, there are a lot of fun moments in this World Cup that have been captured. From VAR to Neymar to Batshuayi, you know, there's been so much. But for me, I think the hottest item on the table right now is VAR. I mean, you've seen all these memes of President Putin, you know, behind the VAR control room, talking about release these guys.
Yeah.
What do you think about that?
The VAR has changed the face of football, not only the World Cup, and it's so interesting because the VAR decisions in many ways are affecting the outcome of matches, because we've seen the penalties. We've had more than 20 penalties in this World Cup alone.
Amazing.
So it's amazing, and as far as Putin is concerned, we just have to.
What about Neymar? This guy has been trending for all the wrong reasons.
Neymar is a brilliant player, but his play acting and simulation all the time, I think it's taking away from his potential, and people have obviously been trolling him all over Twitter. And one interesting stat is that Neymar has been on the ground for 14 minutes. 14 minutes. So
but it takes some skill to
it takes some
like
skill
that,
to trick the referee like
don't
that.
roll like that.
Yeah, but recently I had the great Ronaldo, number 9, the retired Brazil forward, El Fenomeno.
Yeah.
Ronaldo was saying that Neymar doesn't play act. He has to do that because he needs to protect himself from players who always see him as a target man. So there are two sides to the story. But
so if I'm in the streets, should I use that move if I see some thugs?
Yeah, when you see some thugs, just play act and feign injury, they'll run away.
What about Batshuayi? Did you see his celebration? He almost injured himself, man.
Yeah, you know, it comes with the territory. You know, when you're frustrated so much and your team scores, you know, you can get caught in the moment.
Yourself,
yeah, you have the right. You can have a moment of madness, and that was the case with Batshuayi.
I mean, that guy must have a really hard head. Yeah, that knock was real, man.
It was real.
I don't know if you guys caught that, but you need to watch that replay.
Yeah, but Batshuayi wasn't the only one who had his fair share of controversy. There was also the Japan team. They had a very interesting World Cup campaign, on the verge of eliminating the great Belgium. Yeah,
it was close, 2-0 up. Huh?
It was close, but I think they showed their naivety by being 2-0 up, being unable to close the game with only like 20 minutes to go. But fair play to them, because after the game they still had the heart to like clean their own dressing rooms, leave Russia with honor at least.
Truly honorable guys. Huh?